During the meanwhilest... No.
Well, hello, it's Dexter and me, and I'm out with my other pup this afternoon. She's coming blackberry picking on our little stroll, and I figured, you know, why not vlog it? Because after all, you know, life is a video, isn't it? Everything's a video these days. So we're going to go and pick some blackberries, and hopefully on the way round, you never know, get some pictures. Just spotted something nice and interesting up here now. Not even sure what they are, like these sort of seed heads. Ooh, sorry, a bit close then. But a bit too high up, I think. A bit too high up to get a picture. Right. Onwards. This is what the world needs, more, you know, wild meadows that haven't been cut. A haven then for butterflies. I can see is it a meadow white or whatever they're called now, fluttering down there. A couple of them in fact. Yeah, just need to leave the countryside like this. You know, parts of it. Obviously we can't leave all of it like it, but you know, where it can be left, leave it. This is the bonus of having a young pair of eyes with you. Bethan just spotted that green dragonfly in amongst a load of green leaves. He flew off initially, but then he landed and posed quite nicely for us. Good spot. He's still there. He's still there now. Leave him in peace, though. I think he's modelled enough. But as Bethan just said, he's like a chameleon almost. You know, his colours are so similar to the leaves. You know, so they're brighter green and darker green. Expertly camouflaged. Beautiful creature.
Not for me, though.
But not for you.
Not camouflage from me.
Not from you, no. Not from old Eagle Eyes there. We've been really lucky this summer on our little nature strolls. Just kind of like taking stock of the butterflies we've seen. Not necessarily photographed, but seen. There's obviously the common blue, which is my my arch nemesis this summer. But we've seen, you know, a good fair variety, you know, of butterflies. I'll pop, you know, the ones we've photographed up on screen now. But yeah, you know, been quite a nice summer spotting all those. At our favourite tree again. I do love this tree. The amount of wildlife we've seen today, it's been a real treat. Seen a number of dragonflies, butterflies, bees, of course, spiders. They're starting to come into their own now. Some beetles. This is what you get. See, if you leave nature, you know, to its own devices, you know, you get these lovely areas, and you know, within hours, literally, you know, wildlife will begin to, you know, move in, you know, create its habitat. You know, we earlier this year we got some driftwood from the beach, put it in the garden and started drilling holes in it. Within a minute of drilling the first hole, there were bees queuing up to get inside, and you'd see them, they'd crawl in, and then you'd see them, like, you know, kicking the sawdust out from the hole that we created. And now you can sit there, you know, and watch bees coming and going into these pieces of driftwood that we've... There's another meadow white that we've left, you know, in the garden. And, you know, say if you build it, they will come. They will come. Anyway, right then, that is it for this latest nature walk of ours. I'm not sure when you'll be seeing this. It might even be like in October, so in the summer's, you know, well and truly over. But yeah, in the meantime, as I always say, stay safe, stay well, look after yourselves, your loved ones and your pets, and look after your eyes. Look after your eyes. Then, like my my other young pup, you'll see things that us oldies can't. Hang on, I'll look now. Not much of a return today. Yeah, so yeah, there we go. Be nice, just be nice, and enjoy nature. Okay, all the very best. Bye bye.
She went upstairs to make her bed, and not a word to her mother said. Her mother, she went upstairs too, said, daughter, oh daughter, what's troubling you?